A sales process is that series of steps followed by salespeople. They track a sale from a lead all the way through to a close. Sales process can be easily run through 5 basic common steps. 1. Investigator. At the beginning of their journey, a buyer is an investigator. They are seeking out possible solutions for issues they are experiencing in their company. At this stage, the job of a salesperson is to focus in on this prospect and also to focus the buyer's attention. 2. Prospect. Following the investigator stage, the buyer becomes a prospect. They are definitely interested in your offering and are checking it out further. At this point, the salesperson enters the next phase of the selling system, which is engage. Actually reaching out and getting involved with their particular company and issues and accomplishing the actions necessary to move them to the next stage toward a sale. 3. An evaluator. At this point in the buyer's journey, the buyer has become an evaluator. They are now looking over your product or service carefully and comparing it to company issues. For the seller, this stage of the pipeline or selling system is convince. You are convincing the buyer that purchasing your product or service is absolutely the right thing to do. It is at this stage that the sale is made. 4. Customer. The buyer becomes a customer moving into the end stage of the selling system, where a new process begins. But in too many cases within sales organizations, the close of the sale is the end of the line. Yet most salespeople, marketing managers, and CEOs would agree that an existing customer is a far easier sale than a new prospect. It makes sense to put a priority on the treatment of existing customers, equal to that of new leads and opportunities. Ideally, the dynamic of the relationship has changed from that of a vendor-buyer to a partnership. You're no longer selling to that buyer. You are that buyer's partner in continuously helping their company succeed. The better your buyers succeed, the more your product or service is going to succeed at that company. You're ensuring great repute in the conversations they have when you're not in the room. Want to be on top of your sales process? Check out more about Pipeliner CRM.